I feel amazing. We created some amazing content there and came up with a, well, I'll probably classify as a world-class title for my presentation.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, awesome. I love that, the Roman Lakshmi. I'm gonna yeah, let's
Yes.
copyright that immediately.
Yeah. So yeah, how much money do you think you will if you keep using that? If you use this in your presentation in India for the ultra high net worth people and their wealth advisors, and you keep using this for the rest of your life as often as you want
Oof.
to, how much
Yeah,
money
of
do you
course.
think this
Well,
20-minute session is going to be worth for you?
yeah, it's the foundation of a multi-billion pound company.
I'm so
Definitely.
excited.
Just by tweaking how you need to think.
Yeah, and what you're going to say to these 40 high net worth people. Yeah.
I can't wait to come back with hopefully a very nice check, should we say, a very nice an increase in the bank account, so we can, yeah, grow this business exponentially.
Oh, I can't wait. Yep,
And if
that unicorn is about to birth.
yes, yes, through Abundatia, the goddess of abundance
Yes.
and wealth.
Strategic speaking consulting.
Saved me a lot of pain, I could tell you that. So, yeah, we should streamline that incredibly quickly. So
Awesome.
thank
Well, I'm
you
glad it
very much
saved you
for that.
pain, and
Yeah, it has.
we'll keep playing with this, and
Yeah, and
we'll create something
I can't
amazing.
wait for the next session.
Yeah.